Alright guys, we're just coming back into the new year, starting it nice and easy, writing linear equations from graphs. Well, you already know how to do this, but you may not remember. There's three key things. I'm going to give you a hint, your slope. So the first thing we're going to do is always find the slope. How do you find a slope from the graph? Easy. Draw a triangle. Don't forget, slope man. Positive, negative, undefined, and 0. Once we have our slope, we're going to use our y-intercept. And then simply write your equation. Remember, it's always going to be y equals mx plus b. So let's start with some simple ones. I'm going to go m equals, b equals, and then underneath I'm going to say y equals mx plus b. Well, b is really easy to find. B is just where it crosses the y-axis, which is right here, and that is -4. So I already know it's going to be -4 right here. My slope is going downhill, so it's a negative slope, so I know I'm going to have a negative. I know I'm going to have a negative. And I'm seeing a dot here and a dot here. So then when I draw my triangle, I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 on this side and 2 on this side. I just made that a Z, I'm sorry, it's a 2. So 7 over 2. Now what's something that I forgot? Notice I have my M and my B, but many times students forget to write their X. I'm all done. Now how can we check this? Really simple way is to put it in your calculator and make sure it goes through the same 2 points. Okay. My y-intercept is +4. Okay. It's not going through a cross. I'm looking for where it's going through one of these kinds of crosses, where two lines are, where the grid is making a plus sign. Almost, but it's actually going to be this one. So it's this really skinny triangle. And this is a positive slope. The bottom is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 over 1 is just going to be 9. Make sure you reduce your slope. So I'm going to make a little note here. You're going to need to remember to check your signs and reduce. These two right here are the most common mistakes I see students make. So now I can write my equation. Y equals, it's a +9, don't forget the x, plus 4. These are the easiest ones. I love it when it's just a line, like a flat line or a vertical line. When it's horizontal like this, your slope is 0. When it's vertical like this, your slope is undefined. Very, very easy ones. When the slope is 0, your y-intercept is, just find your y-intercept, and that's literally your equation of the line. It's just going to be y equals -1. You're done. Notice that the y value is constant, which means at 5 I'm at -1, when x is 4 I'm at -1. No matter what my x value is, my y value is -1 everywhere. So that's really nice. Now, if you notice, the opposite is true here. No matter what my y value is, my x is always 2. So when it's an undefined line, it's at x equals whatever that number is. And you're done. Again, you can always check these in your calculator using, just graph it and make sure you get 2 points that are the same. I would use the relationship function. That's it, guys.